Stop overpaying for lighting. Easy tips to save thousands. Your lighting could be costing homeowners and businesses thousands, but there's good news. It's easy to fix with a little effort. Let's take a closer look at how to assess lighting levels and uncover energy-saving opportunities with a light meter. First, focus on gathering baseline data. A light meter measures illumination levels, also called lux or foot candles, helping you see exactly how much light each area is receiving. Begin with high-use areas like offices, production floors, and hallways. Move to less obvious spots like storage rooms, stairwells, and outdoor spaces. Each space has specific lighting requirements. Be sure to reference industry standards. In offices, for example, lighting should balance efficiency with comfort to reduce eye strain. Hallways and storage spaces can often function with lower light levels, saving energy. As you take measurements, note areas that are either too dim or overly bright. Dim areas can hinder productivity and safety, while overly bright areas waste energy and may cause glare or discomfort. Next, assess the fixtures themselves. Are you still using traditional incandescent or compact fluorescent bulbs? These are energy hogs compared to modern LED technology. LED bulbs offer energy savings of up to 75% and last significantly longer, reducing maintenance costs. Plus, they're available in a range of color temperatures to suit any environment. Don't stop at bulb replacements. Explore smart lighting solutions like motion sensors, dimmers, and timers. These upgrades ensure lights are only on when and where they're needed. For example, motion sensors in break rooms, restrooms, and storage areas can cut down energy usage dramatically. Dimmers allow you to adjust light levels for specific tasks or times of day. Outdoor lighting is another big opportunity. Replace high-energy floodlights with LEDs or solar-powered fixtures. Solar options are particularly great for parking lots and pathways, combining efficiency with sustainability. Natural light is your most cost-effective resource. Assess whether adjustments to window coverings, furniture layouts, or even paint colors could enhance daylight usage. To illustrate, replacing heavy drapes with sheer blinds or rearranging desks closer to windows can reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day. Finally, revisit your light meter after making these changes. Verify that new lighting levels meet recommended standards for safety and functionality. Energy-efficient lighting upgrades don't just cut costs. They create more pleasant and productive spaces while reducing the carbon footprint. Remember, small tweaks can lead to significant long-term savings. Start the energy audit today and see how much brighter the future can be.